already started the video and I almost forgot something. 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. Today is a day where, we're gonna go over here real quick and check out our garden's doing, which is doing great, I might add. Nice. But then there's this one, we gotta figure out what to do. Oh, that's cool. There's already fruit here too. And vegetables. But I think on this garden, I'm gonna do a very special vegetable. But first, things first. Come on. There we go. Oh, and they're green colored. Nice. Okay, so this one's gonna get fruit from the gardens and then put them into the silo. You're also going to do the same for the time being until further notice. I'll explain everything later, but first things first. It's time to say goodbye to these old ones and put new slimes here. Now, I did a wheel, I did random for preparation of this. And you will not believe what I got first. Hunter plorts and pink plorts. Whoop. Said it wrong. Hunter slimes and pink slimes combined. So for this one, with these guys and these guys, we're doing pink and hunter. Just gotta prepare it. Awesome. These, however, are gonna stay because I don't have the materials to recraft them right now. Right now, anyway. And then there's these ones. Which this one will be... where is it? Surprisingly, it will be forest and rock. Or phosphorus slimes of rock. I'm surprised I even got that one. It was kind of a miracle, somehow. Oh, missed two. 3. I missed 3. I know I'm wasting money to get more slimes here, but it's for the best. Plus, we need the extra slimes. Now, I was going to do this one, but I think it's better if I just come back and water them every time for now. Because I don't want to rush too fast. It is weird how chickens spawn in so easily. Oh, that reminds me. I have to give you a purpose now. Plorts. From the plort collectors. Market link. Because now, I gotta feed these guys in a different way. And I'm hoping the gold gets higher than that for once. Because I'm sick of looking at that. Silver parsnips. I might as well do these ones in the garden now. But first things first. I need 3 of you. And where are the pink ones? Ah, there they are. Perfect. This makes my job a lot easier. If I have enough burning stamina. Hold on a minute. Okay. For this one. Boom. And I see you guys have been doing good. That's awesome. Now for these ones. The pink and hunters will go in this one. And the phosphorus will go in this one. Now it depends on where the plorts are that I gotta grab, so I'll be right back with those. There we go. Grab it. And you guys are fruit and veggie. Need help? There we go. Now for you three. Are you guys hungry? That's a yes. Ow! Alright, you big babies. Wrong slime. There we go. Now steal some from here, because you guys got plenty. Give me to you. And since this is an endless cycle of chickens, you guys should be fine. Perfect. Now for you three. I need to get you guys fruit and veggies, which should be easy. Sort of. Oh, there you go. There you go. All set and ready. Okay, now that that's done, let's go check on the other ones real quick. Now check the ones here. Not bad. But yes, we gotta make sure these guys are okay too. Oh, especially you guys are out. There we go. But now we don't need this here anymore, and the question is, if I take it out, we'll have to rebuild it again. Destroy this gadget and its link gadget installed elsewhere. Yeah, that's gonna be another problem. I mean, I can rebuild it fine, but getting the ingredients again is gonna be annoying. But if it's to take care of these guys, I can't blame myself. I gotta blame myself. I can't take full responsibility for everything at once, and you guys are hungry. 1 second. There we go. Alright, now that that's taken care of, one more place to check. And you guys are still okay. Good, good. But I gotta sell your plorts by hand. Or by vac. No pun intended. If that was intended, I'm sorry. I am not trying to make these puns on purpose. Man, it's like I just stopped taking care of these guys for so long. And thank God, Puddle Plorts went up in price. And so did gold, but I'm waiting for it to be 400. Honestly, I give up on the 500. It's never gonna happen at this point. Alright, I think all my slimes are double checked. All good. Now I just gotta go and do my glitch. I know, dumb name, but still. How much more do I need anyway? A lot more. Let's do this. Oh, whoa. I was spawned over here this time. That's new. Nothing there. Except for that guy who's running away. Yeah, you're kind of obvious, dude. Come here. Oh, ow. Okay. I also need to keep my eye for inanimate objects that may look like one. Because if I do, they have a lot more than expected. I don't know why they're trying to jump into the water, but it's not going to save them. It's like one of those spot the difference games, but the thing is, I can't tell what's different. Unless the glitch just adds up on. Like that! I knew there wasn't a rock there. My main goal is to try to get 100 each round. That way, ow, ow, ow. That way I can get more and more out of it. Guess paying attention to rocks was a good thing. Come here, you three. Ow, ow. Just gotta pay attention to what's out of place. I did not just do that. I did not just do that. And come into my vacuum. Guys, I got to hold still. Which I can't do that. Oh my god, look at all these glitches. Yeah, you were obvious. Come here, all you glitches are coming with me. Stop trying to run. Oh. Come here, you. Oh no. Oh, whoa, there was a lot here. Come on, I need you. I gotta hurry. I'm literally out of time. And I'm out of stamina again. I don't see anything else out of place. Except for that guy. Yeah, I was afraid of that. I'm out of time. And I only got 69. Hopefully I can still collect some while I'm running. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. And once again, I'm out of stamina. Aha! Not bad, 83. Hopefully nothing bad happens while I'm trying to get out. Oh, I really hope nothing does happen. Bye! That was too close. I felt like those things were being bigger and bigger every time. Ooh, we're getting there. We're getting there. Boom, 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 boom. Now for some water, please. And good thing too, my drones are almost out. Let's check here, see how they're doing. Might as well collect these for them while they're getting all the fruits. How well are they doing? Damn! Nicely done, guys! They have this overfilled already. Well done, well done. Sorry. Yeah, just please stay in your pit, buddy. I have a fear that he's going to jump out and accidentally kill himself. At some point, he might. You never know. Again! Awesome. No time limit. I can just go in anytime I want. And I spawn over here again. Interesting. Obvious. Are you... Come here. God dang. These guys are somehow still slippery, as usual. And somehow I'm not paying attention. Let's try over here this time. We've never done this area yet. Don't everyone fly away at once. Yeah, nice try, buddy. And you. Okay, why is this one still trying to sneak away? Screw it, just gobble them all up. Is there another bug somewhere? Oh yeah, I forgot about this area. Ah! Quit trying to go in the water. All of you, come here. Do they think water's their only chance of escaping me? Not in the slightest. Here's one. Oh. They all look... Oh, nope, not this one. There we go. Ooh! Good thing that was an imposter. Man, they are still sneaky. And luckily that wasn't. I might spray everything to make sure I'm not missing anything. All of you are imposters. Oh no. Not now. Yep, I know it. I knew there was only one mushroom here. And there goes one. Yeah, I was afraid of that. Dang it. I'm out of time. Still gonna try to get as many as I can. While I'm running. Wait. Okay, there it is. Wait, where? Of course, this way. Oh man. Oh boy. It's over there. The more I wait, the more bigger they get. This ain't enough, I know that much. Ooh, we need 64 more. But once again, I gotta go back and check out my slimes again. So let's see what interesting things happen when I'm out. Alright, how... Okay, we're getting there, we're getting there. Just need to be a little more patient. You guys are... Ow, good. You guys are good. Okay, one more time. My goal is to at least make 64 more to get the next B upgrade. Here we go. Let's work fast and quick. First 3, down. But where's that? There it is. There we go. We're getting somewhere with that. Nice and simple. Whee! There's one. Come here, you. Come here. There we go. Oh. Or the coinkydinks. Dang, nothing. I knew it! You literally gotta remember and spot the difference with these things. Oh. Interesting. I know it. Come here. Quit flying away from me. Dang it. Ah. Right as I run into it. Didn't mean to do that, but okay. And we got our goal. We made 65. Can we make it 100 this time? Let's see. I know it. Dang it. What? Hey! Hey, they are slippery little buggers. Aha! Dang it. All of you are. We're doing so much better than last time. Aha! And just in time, too. We're almost out. Alright, all you glitches, get out of the water. Yeah, that was kind of easy. Oh, we got more than 100. Nice. And we get out here. Which way is the exit? That way. You got it. 104. Not bad. That's better than anything we could have gotten. Let's add it up, shall we? Stamina. Hopefully I can upgrade that later on in the future. Up there? Oh no. Oh, come on. Oh, I didn't know the spot existed. Alright, we did it. We have enough. Man, we got a lot of bug reports on that one. Alright, what you got to say this time, Victor? Something is not right. Not right at all. The simulation I've been running to predict your performance on this project is not matching your results at all. How is this possible? I rely on my simulations for everything, and they have always made life easier, but what if they're wrong? Or what if some other elements exist that even I can't simulate? I would need to create an entirely new formula to compensate for this finding. And what would that mean for my previous simulations? All the experiments and people I passed on because I need to think on this. I've added my advanced drone blueprint to your lab. It should prove very useful to you according to my calculations. Well, I hope so at least. Now I need to think on this right away. But please collect more bug reports in this simulation. I am very close to isolating the source of the bug that is responsible for producing glitch lives. In return, I will prepare a substantial reward for you. Run diagnostics on simulation 392296. Username V Humphreys. Password Murph. I'm sorry, I slipped into my work again without saying goodbye. Looking forward to see your results. Goodbye. At least he was honest. And next is the lab. This whole area. Can't wait to see what I can do. Excuse me, sorry. Can't wait to see what I can do with it. Hopefully got enough cubes. Is it in or not to buy it? Oh no, it's here. More advanced version of drone that has the capacity to perform 2 tasks at once. Now this is more like it. Perfect. But something tells me I still can't do it. Yeah, I had a feeling. But now I can switch the drones out for more advanced ones. This is insane, and I just realized I'm out of water. Don't worry though, I'll get more when I get down here real fast. Perfect. Okay, we'll take you out for now. Nice. Target plorts from the plort collector and put them in the market link. Next, what am I saying? Fruit from the gardens into the auto feeders. This is sick. Now I can use one drone for each area now. Nice. Okay, here we go. Okay, now for you. Is to collect plorts, run the plort collectors, and sell them at the marketplace. And also, I'm hoping this works. Collect meat from outside the plots and put them in auto feeders. I'm hoping this works. It does! Excellent! Now I don't have to worry about feeding these guys anymore. Oh, but I can only worry about feeding these guys. But still, this is great! Okay, now for this area. This area needs the I'm so sick of these guys coming out. 2 more roosters got old. Is one of them charging? Sadly, no. I'll work on the spot last. Oh, before I run out of time. Here you go, guys. With all the chickens we can produce now, we are good to go. Oh. Wait. I don't want to rush things. I gotta remember, I can only do certain places. I only got one left, too. I want to do this area specifically because if I have one here, I can make him do plorts and the chickens. Well, actually, no, not chickens specifically. The incinerator. What? What plorts from the incinerator as well? Are you landing? No? Dang. I shouldn't even be recording this long, but I am anyway. Here we go. Now, for you. Plorts, obviously, from the plort collectors. Plort market. Fire plorts from the incinerator. And sell them off. And yes, I need to get more fire plorts soon. There we go. I haven't watered you guys, sorry. Hi. Nice. Good. But now my question is... Yep. I gotta get one of them switched up. Dang, 91. Almost went to waste. Thankfully, I was here. Good job, guys. Yeah, I gotta check up on this one a lot because he's by himself because I'm an idiot. Plorts, plort collector, market. Help your fellow breed drone out because it was dumb enough to take you out in the first place. Oh, one more. Sorry. I just want to be where I can finally sell my gold plorts for a good price. Alright, let's see if we can get any more for those cubes. More than 100. Let's see if we can go for that record again. Already? Dang it. Will more spawn out now because of what I did? I'm not entirely sure. Come here, you little slippers. Ow. I don't think they want me there, so let's move away and grab these guys. Awesome. Ah. I'm starting to see a pattern here. Yeah, I'm starting to see a pattern here. Dang it. It was rich with glitches. I was gonna say anything because I thought it was suspicious. Just like this mushroom. I'm wondering if they can hear me. Come here, you 2, 3, 4. Oh, you multiplied. That's a new one. Aha! Yeah, nice try. 88. 98, 99, 101. Make that 102. Too fast. Oh, cool. Almost cool. Come here. Oh, for Pete's sake. Even the rocks count. Just a little more. Oh, which way? Okay, this way. I'm guessing by my count, we can only catch 150 each round. I don't mind, but I'm still a little sad that we could do a lot more. Come here. Don't have time. Really, I don't have time. I gotta get out of here. But hey, it would be a record 128. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, which way? That way or... Ow. This way, this way. Okay. Of course, at the very start. 130, good enough for me. Nice. We're now loaded with this stuff. Six cubes, enough for a bee drone. Or correction, double bee drone. Now I gotta refill on water once more. Okay, good. We'll do you. Now for you, good sir. Plorts. Floor collectors. The refinery. Puddle plorts. In the pond. In the refinery. Good luck to you, sir. Now I won't have to worry about the puddle plorts anymore. Thank goodness. Awesome. Dang. Oh. Before I forget these guys again. Awesome. That one's filled. That one's good. Do they just feed it to them? I'm confused. Yeah, really, I'm confused. Where are the chickens? I'm an idiot. These guys didn't have one yet. And I need to put chickens in there so they know which one's which. There we go. There. Now I'm hoping the chicken guy got it. Yep, which is you. I feel so stupid for not figuring that out sooner. I forgot, I never upgraded theirs all the way. Now I want to stare and make sure he gets it, but then again, I don't know. How long is it going to take for him to get all these chickens? Well, when I come back, I'm hoping they're up more filled. I can't believe I forgot that. Like, how stupid can I be? I cannot believe I did not realize that they were not all the way upgraded. And I never thought about what's a drone's limit. Oh, you somehow got it. Nice. Nice! Yes! Thank God! I was hoping that would work. Okay, we need 40,000 more gold. And you guys need more chickens. 1 second. That should do it. There we go. Awesome. I am so glad he can do that now. Well, I'm about to end the video here, but I'm hoping, really hoping, that that gold price goes up to 400. If it does, I'll keep going. If it doesn't, I'm ending the video here. So I'm waiting another 40 seconds, I guess. Alright, here it goes. What's the saying? Are you kidding me? Only up to 4 pieces? Man, this thing is stubborn. But I'm sad to say I'm out of time. I guess I'll try again the next one. And the next one, I'm going to finally complete Victor's Lab. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. Your choice, not mine. I'll see you all next time.